Hi, this is Hina Imran from Learn and Explore 360. I hope you're all doing okay. You can find me on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Reddit, and all the other social platforms where I share ideas and tips and tricks on how to teach in a more efficient and better way. Today's lesson is all about the OW words. So let's get started. The OW makes two sounds. O as in grow and ow like in wow. B, bow. Cr, crow. Bl, blow. Thr, throw. R, arrow. Snow. Sl, slow. Glow. Grow. Row. Mo. Toe. Flow. Show. So. Low. Now let's practice OW as in plow. Down. Crown. Brown. Gown. Down. Wow. Cow. How. Now. Thank you for watching till the end. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos from my side. And do not forget to comment and also let me know of any new concepts that you want me to make the next video on. Till then, take care. Bye.